inside the dense forests of Kishtwar, the silence still carries the echoes of heavy gunfire. This was not just another encounter site, it was a fortified hideout of Jaish-e-Mohammed carved deep into the hills of Jammu and Kashmir. India Today bringing you this exclusive report from inside the Jaish terror hideout. Security forces stormed the terror den in a relentless operation, pounding the structure and neutralizing all three terrorists hiding inside. No last-minute escape, no safe passage, just a decisive end to a deadly module. What remains are the shattered walls that once shielded militants, weapons and ammunition strewn inside, incriminating documents, supplies and personal belongings left behind, stark proof of how entrenched this network was and how close the thread stood. Sunil G. Bhatt bringing you this exclusive report from Chatru in Kishtwar.
India Today has reached ground zero in the far-flung area of Chatru in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Behind me, you can see the terror hideout that was pounded and destroyed by the security forces on Sunday. On Sunday morning, the security forces launched a massive counter-terror operation in this entire area. The security forces had a specific input that there was presence of terrorists in this particular area, and acting on this specific input, a joint counter-terror operation was launched by the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF. The security forces have got a massive success. 3 dreaded Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists have been neutralized. And among these 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists was the dreaded Jaish terror commander Saifullah. He has also been successfully eliminated by the security forces. I will just show you the pictures of this terror hideout. This is a terror hideout that was built by the terrorists on this hilltop in Chatru area of Kishtwar district. You can see that this terror hideout has been now dismantled. Yesterday it was in flames, and that is why you can see everything is scattered here. The belongings of the terrorists are scattered here. I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. There you see the burnt pieces of blanket of the terrorists. There are utensils and vessels also. So you can understand that these terrorists were hiding in this terror hideout for a long time. Saifullah and the other terrorists of his group were active in this particular region for last more than 2 years. They carried out multiple attacks on the security forces as well as on civilians in this particular area. This was a group of 7 terrorists who had managed to infiltrate in the year 2024, and since then these terrorists were active in this particular region of Jammu and Kashmir.